In the Bible book of Job, Jehovah described examples of his power observable in the natural world. Consider just a few. Thunderhead clouds. It is estimated that a single thunderstorm can release more energy than a 20 kiloton nuclear explosion. We see some of that energy as lightning. But lightning is only half the show. Thunder is produced when lightning heats up the surrounding air. The superheated air rapidly expands, causing a tremendous boom and crackling. This is followed by rumbles as the air continues to vibrate. Although usually associated with destructive power, lightning strikes can be very beneficial. As lightning rips through the air, nitrogen is converted to a form that nourishes plants. Who made a path for the thunderous storm cloud? Can you send out lightning bolts? Will they come and say to you, "Here we are"? Waves can start far out in the open sea. They can begin as tiny ripples formed by the wind. As the wind continues to add energy, the waves increase in size. The stronger the wind and longer the gust, the bigger the wave. Hurricane winds can produce waves of 100 feet or more in height. Long after the wind stops, the tremendous wave energy continues to move. It can travel great distances from where it originated. The amount of energy contained in all the oceans could theoretically power the entire globe without air pollution. Who barricaded the sea behind doors when it burst out from the womb? When I established my limit for it and put its bars and doors in place? And I said, "You may come this far and no farther. Here is where your proud waves will stop." The evening sky. Job could see familiar constellations. What controls the motion of the stars? Only thousands of years later did scientists learn more about these invisible laws. Today we understand that the motion of stars is controlled by gravity. Although they are in motion, we perceive their positions as fixed because they are so far away. Thus, they can serve as reliable navigational markers down to this day. Yet, despite increasing knowledge about the force of gravity, humans are still unable to give a complete answer to the questions God posed to Job. Do you know the laws governing the heavens? Or can you impose their authority on the earth? All around us, daily reminders of Jehovah's great power can be seen. What do you see?